had them labeled and stuff, but they're coming apart and it's getting all messy, and I am going to redo them. That way I could put all the sandwich stuff in one thing, because I saw it on a video. I think it was Catherine on Doing on a Dime who saw it on maybe Clutterbug's channel, that they took out this whole thing and then put all the sandwich, you know, stuff in there, and then they could just make a sandwich and then put it back. So I'm gonna redo that. It's very messy right now. So now those things didn't come off very well, so I'm going to use either vinegar or goop off to get that off. So I didn't have to use goop off. Uh-oh, it's not focusing. Hold on. Okay, so I didn't have to use goop off for this stuff. You see how that's stuck right there? I just used this scrubber from the Dollar Tree, and you know how the magic scrubber is the white part, and then the scrub, just the basic sponges here. Watch this come off. It's even getting off the glue part and just all the paper. Voila! It's off. That is super awesome. This stuff is awesome. So I didn't have to use any harsh chemicals. I didn't have to get the vinegar out. I just got this little scrubber from the Dollar Tree, and it's taking it off. Wow. That's awesome. Okay. So here is my door now, after I put the butter up here, of course. There is a candy bar, but it's butter. And then sandwich and burger fixings all in here, even the ketchup, everything that goes on a sandwich, even the cream cheese. I know it goes on bagels, but it can go on sandwiches. This is some other stuff, but anyway, this is salad and horseradish. Now, hey, somebody put that in the wrong place. It goes up here. Anyway, we had breakfast this morning and someone put it in the wrong place. Really? Anyway, salads and horseradish. The reason why I put the A1 with the horseradish is because we put that on steak, so I just put that there. And then sauces would be hot sauces and chicken wing sauce and sesame oil. And also down here is just miscellaneous. It's very miscellaneous, so I just put that there. So that's the door. I didn't feel like tackling the whole refrigerator, so I just did the shelves. And the reason why I put all the sandwich and burger fixings in one thing is because I got that idea from Catherine from Do It on a Dime, who in turn got that from, I think, Clutterbug or Melitose. I forgot what her channel is, but I guess that was her idea. Really good idea to take this whole thing out and then put it back in after everyone's done making sandwiches. So voila, there you go. Oh, and I think that's it. Okay, thumbs up, guys. Bye.